Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable or turn on microphone access in Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Microphone. Turn on microphone access. Second method is click Start, Settings, click System, click Sound. Click Microphone. Click Allow under Allow apps and windows to use this device for audio. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Right-click Microphone, click Enable Device. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.